Hello, welcome or welcome back to Life on the Franch. Today we are going to be redesigning our YouTube banner on our channel page. So this is our current banner. We've got Butter, Patch, Rocky, and a little muffin.
And a muffin. We always knew there'd be a fourth.
Yeah. But as you may have heard, we have a new hamster, Gamer. Here's his adoption video up here. Whom we just absolutely adore. Can't get enough of him. So it feels wrong that he's not on our channel page. And if you saw our video where we drew our hamsters, they did not turn out that bad. I made this joke that we could use them in our YouTube banner because it's what inspired the project. But then they actually turned out well. And so we're going to use them to make a new YouTube banner. So if you want to see us making them, making the drawings, you can click this link above. But without further ado, let's start making this banner with the chaotic energy and lack of knowledge that all beginner YouTubers have. Here we go. So clearly I've done this at least once, and by some miracle it worked. I don't know how I did it before. I know that we go to channel customization, which is here. Maybe branding? Okay, banner image. Okay, so it says for the best results on all devices, use an image that is this many pixels and this many megabytes.
Oh yeah, somewhere we found like a template. Remember that? That showed us like how many pixels everything was.
2120, 1192. I remember having to convert. Okay, so now we try my way. $20.48.
Do we know that that's our PPI?
It's gonna be for the web. This is working with print media. It's 96 for web use. It says so.
We can try it.
Okay, so 21.3333, whatever. 21 and a third. Okay. So that's the width, or the right?
Yes.
21. I'm gonna put through 4 because it can be bigger but not smaller. This is turning into did you ever have a computer class in middle school?
Yeah.
This is what it feels like.
Learning PowerPoint.
Which I'm not bad at. I make PowerPoints all the time. But when do you use this particular function? Alright, whatever.
To make banners for YouTube, that's when.
That's when. Okay. So now you want me to put the layover? Okay. Okay. We have the TV is the whole thing.
Yep.
Although I've never seen it in a TV. I've tried looking for it on our TV. I think it's a myth. But whatever. So desktop, tablet, cell phone. So I would think that we would want the Life on the Franch plus the hamsters in this.
Yes.
And then the sunflowers on the sides.
Okay.
But for the whole of the TV, should the whole, like, background be? What do we do for the whole TV?
We just write, sorry, we don't really care about TV banners.
Okay, so now we can insert some more pictures. So these are our little drawings. Look at you. Oh, wow. You're too big. Shrink, 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 shrink. Look at her. He's gonna need to be smaller still. That's Butter. And then little Rocky. Okay. Cool. We didn't make these way smaller. Okay. Butter and Patch are about the same size. Okay. Rocky needs to be small. I'm gonna put her over here for a second. Rocky needs to be smaller than them.
Correct.
Like that size? Is that the right proportion?
Yeah, I think that's right.
Okay. And Gamer is the biggest.
I think that's about the right size anyway.
That's not the right size. Don't be mean to him. Let's do that. Like that.
Okay, yeah.
Different height order. Okay. So let's do Gamer on this side with Butter. Oh no, they'll have all the seeds on one side.
Seeds? That's a strawberry. Oh, I see what you mean.
This will be together, and then the fruit's over here.
Well, then that means Rocky has to go with Gamer and Butter and Patch sit next to each other. But then you don't have any...
I want to separate them.
Yeah, so you're going to end up with... Unless you want them both to be brown on one side.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like it when you're right. Still not giving us much space for our name. Okay.
And now you can resize one of them and resize all of them.
Like that size?
Sure.
Now we need our name. So we need a text box. Alright. Life on the branch.
Perfect. Done.
Yep, we're done.
I also saw that you put life on the France.
Don't shame me. Okay. I think I used Forte before.
You remember that? Dang.
Yep.
Good call.
I'm really good with fonts. Do you want to know why?
Why?
Okay. Settle in. So I used to play Barbies as a kid.
Okay.
And I would have them write letters to each other. So I assigned each Barbie a font that would be their handwriting.
And you would write these notes? Like on...
I would type them.
You would type them?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Like sometimes I would print them and like use them in the game. But mostly it was like kind of like I was writing a book, and each perspective had its own font.
Got you.
So I like memorized the names of a lot of fonts.
Looks like you misspelled French according to PowerPoint.
Damn it.
Doesn't look centered.
I'm moving it. You there?
It'll tell you when you're centered. I would rely on that. Oh, a little left.
You let me know when it tells me that I'm centered.
There.
Well, how does this work? Alright, scooch. Beep beep.
You could also layer them a little bit, like I have on the group photo. They're kind of like staggered, as opposed to each being...
Okay. Now, we go to...
Perfect.
I don't know if it's the right blue. Yeah, I like that better.
Make the text white.
Yeah. Like that?
Yeah.
I think that's cute. That's cute. Okay, we can work with this.
Looks pretty good on camera, too.
Sunflowers.
Or do we film a drawing sunflower tutorial?
And just add those. You know what? Maybe. Alright. We need tools. It needs to be transparent.
If you want, you can eyedropper the same color from the sunflowers. Fantastic.
Do you think so?
It's like minimalist.
It's minimalist. I think it works.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if it actually works now. Okay, so we have to save it and it has to be less than 6 megabytes.
Right.
So how are we saving this?
Probably as a JPEG.
Okay. Okay. Good?
Great. All right, let's see it in action.
All right. You will see if you go to my page before this video is up. This will have been spoiled for you. But at least now you'll know how we did it.
Yeah, there it is, behind the scenes.
Mm-hmm. And you won't have seen the drawings of the hamsters, so you also have that spoiled for you. But that's okay. Okay. Publish?
Publish.
Oh, I haven't published it though.
So you just want to wait then?
You're not gonna catch me so easy. I'm gonna wait to publish. But now we know what we're using. So we can do it when we publish this video.
There we go.
Okay. Should I temporarily publish it so you can see it on the page? Or should I just...
We won't be able to get the other one back. So if you publish it, we lose the other one.
Alright, well then... You'll have to check it out on our page. So if you enjoyed this behind the scenes video, give it a like. If you want to see more of our content, click subscribe. Ding the bell button to know when we post, which is every day. But most importantly, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!